It's time to pick some mushrooms. Look at them. We're cleaning them. And maybe some strawberries as well. We are near the end of July in southwest Scotland. There's some more over there. Just over there coming out. Some of the Ostara strawberries ripening again, setting another round of flowers. And those are the Malvina strawberries and some of the blueberries. I'm going to pick this one. I picked a bunch about 500-600 grams this morning, so I don't expect to find many more which are ready to pick, but just a few to have this evening would be really nice. Not ready. Not ready. Leave it for another day. How beautiful. This one I'm going to pick. Look at this huge one. Massive. I can't wait for it to ripen. I'll take this one as well. Here's another big one, which is not ripe yet. Look at it. These are all the runners the Malvina strawberries are sending, the strawberry plants. I'll be planting these once they root well. I'll plant them in other parts of the garden to eliminate more of the grass and plant more delicious food. As mentioned, not too many strawberries because I already picked some earlier today, but nice bounty for this evening. I'm gonna go and put the bread in the oven and enjoy these. Thank you so much for watching. Grow food, not loans. Take care. The red gooseberries are starting to ripen, so look forward to these ones. And more strawberries over there. And hazel trees and currants and aronia berry and foxgloves.